when we were studying in K-12. Let AI see how powerful it is. Then I have this device. Then it is paired with a normal computer. It's a super learning machine, and I'm going to show you a little bit of it. This is the third compulsory English course in high school. I opened it up for the AI to see. The key is very good resolution and menus. It can be used as a booth. Let you turn the page anytime. Go study for your studies and exams. You can also scan the whole thing. There are many uses. You just need to let the AI see it. Let's show it. This article is called The Stone in the Road. And then I went to bean bun mode. I started sharing the screen to make phone calls. Bean buns. Have you seen this article?
You can see all the storms in the road.
You look carefully to the left, and now I'm going to ask you the question on the right.
Okay, you ask.
How should I answer question 2?
Woman with water tripped over the stone fearful, linked away, and didn't think about moving the stone. Other villagers complained about the stone apathetic. Did nothing young girl.
Good, do Bell. After you have read all the articles on the left, you fix the focus and extract the key sentence patterns for me. Thank you.
Focus fixed match. Once upon a time. Disguise oneself crash into trip over. Think about make an attempt to in despair with all one's might. Key sentence pattern. There was a king. Who nothing good.
Good. Now, can you see me turning the page?
I see.
Then you are based on that article. Fill in the blanks on this second question and help me do it.
Majority, physician, staff response, answer complained. Harmed.
Very good. The first question. Tell me 6 answers.
1. Forgetting. 2. Seeing awarded.
Very good. First question. Why use forgetting instead of forgetting?
Get you forgot about the relationship? Use the present participle forgetting to express the initiative. Forgotten table passive. Not suitable here.
And this is really just the tip of the iceberg. I have been touching all subjects for a month. Found very useful. I haven't shown its scanning function yet. Let AI see what you see. The remaining question is how you interact with the AI, so it adds it to be brand new. I think it is a very easy to use super learning machine.